Okay, so these directions win the worst directions in the world contest. So I'm gonna line it up at the top of the thing. I'm not gonna worry about this, I guess. Marking it along the bottom. And what I did was, because the directions come with a paper one. Oh my God, I mean, yeah, it could be done, but do yourself a favor. It cost me 55 cents to have this made with cardstock. Because literally, look at this one corner is like so paper thin that it's a pain. Okay, so I just shoved something under there to kind of hold this, and I just cranked on this thing. Forgot the most important thing in any job you do. Gotta have this beer cracked open. Yeah, wish us luck, please. How about this? Kind of winging it. Okay. So that gives me hope. Because I'm right on the top of that thing. I'm gonna be right on top of that. There, I just bent that up out of the way. I'm kind of hacking this up. Would be so much easier if I just removed the center console, but we'll get there. That's a problem, because I can't get all the way to the corner. So, and I'm not gonna be able to take this down there. Oh, I know what I have to do. I have to remove this plate. Okay, plate has been removed. Now it's just gonna take a little bit of going where I've never gone before. Well, that's not gonna do it. But I kind of need that plate. But how would I get into the corner? I guess I got a Dremel. I could cut that. It's really thin. It's kind of crazy. I ripped mine, of course. You can probably see that. But that's okay, because the rip is actually where it's going to get cut out. This off. Now. Straight edge right across the bottom. Like that. Now I will. So this, well, I got it in. This thing is, I got to fart with. Bending it the wrong way out of the gate, I think really screwed it up because it went really easy, one way. It comes with self-tapping screws, and I'm going to put at least all the way. See the self-tapping, you don't need to drill anything. Boom, shakalaka. This little tab right here is your seat release, okay? First thing you're gonna do, pull the seat out. Remove this plastic piece. That comes off, set that aside. Pull this carpet, mine's already kind of fallen off. And I'm just shaving. It's peeled back, just like that. So if you feel in here, you can feel in here and you can feel the bottom. There's a bottom. You're just gonna come straight down till you hit the bottom. You're gonna come down straight down to the hip, and then you're gonna go across. At the bottom, I'm hitting
That's where I stop. I'm just gonna scrape that across the bottom. So now I'm just gonna cut this one and then run it across. The blade is resting right on the top. See? I'm just running it right on that. Okay, so I finished that cut. Now I'm gonna come down here. I should have cut this first, this one down, because having this support here would have been nice. That's out. This thing we gotta turn up. We won't make that mistake twice. Now we're gonna pull the carpet back over it. Just kind of see what we're gonna cut out. So I'm just gonna do a rough cut, so we have an idea. We don't have to spray like that, and then that goes up, so you can just go like this, like that, ish. Like I said, just to get it a rough cut until we glue it on, then we'll get crazy. But doing it nice. Rough cut. So we know what to spray. Bend that back, and we'll throw some where we don't want spray. I got the Gorilla Glue spray brand. Of course, you can get the 3M 77 if you want. I'm gonna put a strip right here. You probably don't care. Once you let it dry, nothing's gonna really stick there. But I figured, what the hell? Okay. Okay, so I forgot to kind of show you that, but that's pretty easy. You just spray it with I use Gorilla Glue. You could use 3M 77. You just rub this all back on with it. Make it nice. Okay. Cut this off. Yeah, okay. So that's like that. So you want to install this. I forgot to do this last time, and then I had to take the thing apart, back out again. Just like that. And then we'll screw it into the top. See, this thing kind of screws up this little, just shave it down, because then this would sit in there. That's the thing that's holding it back. Let me just see what I can do. See how it sticks out? The carpet actually goes back further, so you can get a better. I could just cut it off too, but I just thought maybe if I married it up. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I popped this in. Once you get that in and screwed in, I didn't even put all the screws in. Unlock it. Whoop. I'll tweak that a little bit. I'm not too concerned. I'm definitely happy with it. I'm definitely glad I got it. Directions suck, but I'm glad I got it.